Imagine waking up and seeing this headline on your phone. NASA confirms massive asteroid to hit Earth in 24 hours. No joke, no prank, it's real. A giant space rock is heading straight for us, and there's nothing we can do. What happens next? Do we survive? Can we stop it? And what would it look like minute by minute if it actually hit us? Buckle up, because we're about to walk through exactly what would happen if Earth got hit by an asteroid. Starting right now. Part 1 of the asteroid is detected. Let's rewind a bit. Back to today. NASA and space agencies around the world constantly track thousands of near-Earth objects. They've even built entire systems like Sentry and DART to monitor and deflect dangerous ones. But not every asteroid gets spotted in time. In fact, in 2013, a meteor exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia, injuring over 1,500 people, and no one saw it coming. Now imagine something way bigger. Not the size of a car or a building, but something 10 kilometers wide, the size of Mount Everest. That's the kind of rock that ended the dinosaurs' entire reign 66 million years ago. And now, it's heading straight for us. Part 2, 24 hours before impact. NASA confirms it. The impact is coming in 24 hours. The world spirals into chaos. Social media goes insane. Governments hold emergency press conferences. Cities try to evacuate. But seriously, where would you even go? People start panic buying everything from water to toilet paper to flamethrowers just in case. Hospitals are overwhelmed, highways are gridlocked, and billionaires are already on private jets heading to their doomsday bunkers in New Zealand. Meanwhile, Twitter becomes a battleground of memes, panic, and conspiracy theories. Someone definitely tweets, "The asteroid isn't real, it's just a distraction." You know that guy. Part 3, can we stop it? Now here's the million-dollar question. Can we stop it? And unfortunately, the answer is not really. We do have plans. NASA's working on asteroid deflection systems. There are ideas involving nuclear bombs, kinetic impactors, and even using gravity from spacecraft to slowly pull asteroids off course. But all of those take months or even years of planning. With only 24 hours left, nope, we're toast. There's not enough time. Earth has no defense. Part 4, the final countdown. As the asteroid gets closer, it becomes visible in the sky, a tiny glowing dot that grows bigger by the hour. At T-minus 18 hours, global martial law is declared. Planes fill the sky, but not fast enough. At 12 hours, major cities like New York, Tokyo, and London become ghost towns. With 3 hours left, people are live streaming the asteroid from their rooftops. The live stream view accounts are in the millions. At 30 minutes, people around the world gather with their families, others go out partying, and some just stare at the sky in silence. The asteroid is now blazing red, glowing as it rips through the upper atmosphere at over 20 kilometers per second. The sky lights up like a second sun. This is it. Part 5, the impact. And then it hits. A flash so bright you could see it from space. A boom so loud it ruptures eardrums across hundreds of kilometers. The shockwave spreads outward at hypersonic speed, flattening everything in its path. Cities, forests, mountains. If it lands on land, a crater the size of an entire country forms instantly. If it hits the ocean, it causes mega tsunamis taller than skyscrapers to race across the globe. Fires erupt. The air itself becomes superheated. Debris gets blasted into space. Lava, molten rock, ash, it rains down like the end of the world. Part 6, the aftermath. But here's the terrifying part. The impact isn't even what kills most life, it's what happens after. The explosion throws trillions of tons of dust and sulfur into the atmosphere. Sunlight is blocked out for months, maybe years. This is what scientists call an impact winter. Temperatures drop drastically, plants die, photosynthesis stops, global food chains collapse. Basically, it's like Earth just got punched into an apocalypse. This is what happened when the dinosaurs got wiped out. The asteroid didn't just destroy their neighborhood, it shut down the whole planet. Part 7, could humans survive? Now, could anyone survive? Technically, yes. Some humans might make it. Underground bunkers could help. Maybe a few submarines or the crew on the International Space Station. But society? Civilization as we know it? Gone. Governments collapse. Supply chains stop. there's no food, no power, no clean water. And if you're not good at growing potatoes like Matt Damon in The Martian, you're probably not gonna make it. The survivors would be scattered, isolated, and probably fighting for resources. It's like every post-apocalyptic movie, except this time it's real. Part 8, could this actually happen? So now you're probably wondering, could this actually happen? And the answer is, yep. NASA says we've tracked about 90% of the big planet-killer asteroids. But there are still thousands of smaller ones out there that we haven't found yet. Some of them are big enough to wipe out a city, a country, or even set off global effects. We live in a cosmic shooting gallery, and Earth is just sitting here hoping to dodge the next bullet. If you made it this far, congrats. You now know exactly how humanity will be erased by a giant space rock. Scary? Yeah. But also kind of fascinating, right? If you like this video, smash that like button like the asteroid smashes Earth. Subscribe for more science chaos. And tell me in the comments, which do you think is more likely to wipe us out? Asteroids or AI? Thanks for watching and stay safe while we still can.